All right, this is case number 22-179-725. This is MBT Bank versus Bernard Scales. The matter is before the court where it is set on for a hearing. Looks like this may be a first hearing after filing of the answer in this matter. Your appearance for the plaintiff in this case, please.
Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Best, P58501, on behalf of plaintiff MBT Bank. Excuse me.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Best, and good morning to you. I see that there was an answer filed in this matter. That answer is dated April the 6th. I see the default application. Looks like the default application is April the 12th. And I'm looking for Mr. Scales. I do see where the court did direct a notice to the defendant for this particular court date. And it went to the address provided by the defendant on Edinburgh Street in the city of Detroit, Eastern Township. And that notice was sent out on April the 11th, setting the hearing for today with the correct Zoom information. The defendant has not appeared at this time. Counsel.
Thank you. And just for the record, Your Honor, we do not show that we ever received a copy of the answer that was filed in this action, which is why the default was sent out. But regardless, defendant's failure to appear here this morning, I'd request the court to enter the default and allow us to proceed seeking entry of a default judgment.
All right, the court will now enter the default at this time, and will enter judgment by default upon presentment. Again, this matter was set for 9:30 a.m. It's now 10:05. The defendant has not appeared, has not otherwise provided any information regarding the non-appearance. So the default is entered. The court will enter the default judgment.
Very good. Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Mr. Potts, sir, what matter are you on, Mr. Potts?
He's on the two, ended in 271.
Oh, got it. Okay, thank you. This is case number 21241271. This is Lakina Abrams versus Dana White. Lakina Abrams versus Dana White. The matter is before the court set on for a status conference in this matter. For the plaintiff, your appearance at this time. I have Lakina Abrams on this Zoom. Lakina Abrams. All right. For the defendant, Mr. Potts, are you there, sir?
Not sure.
All right. I'll recall that matter momentarily. So this is for trial.
Yeah, it's for the it's 11 o'clock for the Carson case. 888, and then the 888.
Yeah, what case?
For Carl Carson, the 888.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a searcher. Not a Mr. Potts.
Your Honor, I'm not sure if you called me. I had my phone on mute while I was on the record in another case.
Yes, sir, I did call you, and
I apologize.
I thought that you might be somewhere else, and so I said I would recall. And we're still on the record then at this time regarding the suffix 1271. That's Lakina Abrams versus Dana White. And I called for Miss Lakina Abrams, and I have not received a response. This matter is set for 9:45. It is 9 minutes after 10 at this time. Counsel for defendant in this matter.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, P7607 on behalf of Ms. White. Your Honor, today the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. I asked the court enter a dismissal at this time against Ms. Abrams.
I've reviewed the file in this matter, and the court did direct a notice to appear for today's date. That notice was sent out by the court on April the 11th, 2022, setting this date and time for hearing. We correct the Zoom address. It is noted on the document, and the time, everything is noted there. The defendant has not appeared. For that reason, I will grant the petition to dismiss this matter at this time with defendant as failed, striking with plaintiff. Plaintiff has failed to appear to prosecute this matter. So the court will dismissal.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel.
Will the court enter its own order? Or do I need to enter an order?
I'm signing the order now. And
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
What I've been told to be able to do that for. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Are we all set, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right,
We'll
thank you,
get that
Judge. Have a good
to
day.
you in a minute.
Thank you.
So what's happening?
Oh, upstairs, they have some cases today. I think they're starting at 9:30 also for kitchen. She has her file. She hasn't brought it yet. No,
Are these from yesterday?
no, these are from today. You did ask for yesterday. She didn't bring the ones down from yesterday. Nah, I don't know that. I don't know why.
All right. Did you hear anything on this enhanced medical case?
No, they were scheduled for review. Yeah, it's scheduled for review. I'm not sure. Where they sit. Oh, review was scheduled for 6. Oh, it was adjourned.
The review was.
Yeah, Renee adjourned it. She adjourned it.
I remember there being.
Yes, it's
something.
6:27.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
remember
okay.
calling it.
Mhm.
And asked for that. Okay. I didn't remember that case that you just mentioned.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so